Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. We are back with another travel video.
In our travel videos, we share our travel experience with our daughter that can help you in your travel plans if you are traveling with your kids. This time we are showing you an amazing place to stay in Mysore, and it's a perfect for a weekend getaway from Bangalore. Can you imagine living in a real palace, and that too just by spending around 3,000? Yes, it's true. Lalita Mahal Palace, which is being handled by Jungle Lodges and Resorts, starts offering rooms at a starting price of Rs 3,000. The Lalita Mahal is the second largest palace in Mysore. It is located near the Chamundi Hills. The palace was built in 1921 by the Maharaja of Mysore for the exclusive stay of Viceroy of India. The elegant palace is painted pure white. It was converted into a heritage hotel in 1974. This is now a 5-star hotel. The palace has exquisitely designed viceroy room, a banquet hall, a dancing floor, and an Italian marble staircase. The ballroom in particular, which has been converted into the dining hall of the hotel, is a hall with immensely high ceiling with domed skylight made of Belgian glass. Booking can be done via Make My Trip or Jungle Lodges' website. We had booked the Heritage Classic room at a price of Rs 3,000 per night, which included complimentary breakfast. We did the booking via Jungle Lodges site as there was some offer going on and the price was less as compared to Make My Trip. So check the price at various sites at the time of booking to get the best available deal. Heritage rooms had the olden time furniture and bathrooms. The view from the gallery was also very nice. There is one new section in the hotel which is newly built and has deluxe rooms and have the same price as that of heritage rooms. These are modern rooms, but these might not give you the feeling to stay in an old palace. We found heritage rooms to be the best deal. The lift is one of the main attractions of the palace, as you rarely see this vintage lift anywhere. This lift was imported from England during the year 1921. The palace has high roofs with beautiful chandeliers. There are large halls also in the palace, which can be booked for conferences and marriage purposes. The dining hall is full of blue vibrant colors and give you a feeling of actually dining in a royal palace. There is a souvenir shop and a big garden on the backside. One swimming pool is also there, but it was closed when we went because of COVID restrictions. Do check with them first if swimming pool is a priority for you before booking. The night view of the hotel is mesmerizing when it's fully lit and shines in the bright moonlight. Go for a walk on the front road of the palace to enjoy the evening beauty. You can also plan a 2-day stay if you are planning to roam around and see the tourist places of Mysore, as they are not very far from here and you will be getting any decent hotel at almost the same price. Do let us know if you have any questions and share your experience if you visit this place. Thank you. Keep traveling.